There is one mistake that makes your content feel pushy even though you're trying to be helpful. And 90% of coaches and course creators don't even realize they're doing this. And I know this destroys trust with your audience because I made that exact mistake for years. Because you're giving away everything for free and you're wondering why nobody is buying from you. That's where I was. And I know you've been told to provide so much value in your content and teach everything you know to really build that trust. But that's actually sabotaging your sales. It all comes down to the difference between strategic value and random value. And most coaches and course creators are stuck in the random helpful content trap. So let me break down that trust killer that's making your video look like every other course creator or coach on YouTube in your niche, plus why teaching everything for free actually hurts your ability to sell. Just when I was creating generic helpful videos, that got lots of views, but 0 sales. Versus strategic content that I create now that's not getting massive views, but is making me sales and driving me clients every single day. Because if you're watching me here today, you're a business owner. And you're running a business to make sales, to generate revenue. You're not an influencer. So let me show you how to create strategic curiosity instead of giving it all away for free. Here's what happens when you're giving it all away for free. You attract what I call freebie chasers. These are the people that are gonna come, get what they want, and then leave. They're not interested in learning more from you or even becoming a part of your community. They're not invested in the topic that you're teaching because they're freebie chasers. They're just dipping their toe in this topic. When you're giving helpful tutorial tips like videos, it's like giving away free lead magnets. They come get what they want and they bounce. They unsubscribe to your email list because you're not attracting ready to buy viewers when you're creating that helpful content. And I've learned this lesson the hard way because there was a time just a few years ago that I wanted to hit 100,000 YouTube subscribers. And I decided to create the videos that would drive the massive views to get me the subscriber number that I thought I needed for validity. And some of those videos did go viral and had hundreds of thousands of views. But the bad news was the algorithm started to see my channel is driving that type of viewer. The viewer that was getting the free stuff and bouncing, the freebie chasers. So when I was publishing a video, YouTube would put that video in front of the freebie chasers, they would watch and they would bounce. And my sales and my client list started to dry up quickly. To fix this big problem that I had because I got to imposter syndrome in my head that I needed 100,000 subscribers when I was already making plenty of sales in my business with a small channel and that success, making money, right? I had to fix it. And to fix it, I had to delete those videos with over 1 million views on them to readjust the algorithm so that the algorithm would start sending me my ready to buy viewer again. And the problem wasn't that I wasn't giving enough value. The problem was I was providing the wrong kind of value to the wrong people. I was giving basic level help to people who just wanted a quick fix, not a full transformation. So here's the trust killer most coaches and course creators don't realize they're doing. You're teaching basic level content for free. And that's not creating for you any kind of authority or trust. And it's not the content that's going to attract the people who are actually going to buy from you, whether it is a course or a low ticket offer or become a coaching client. And that's going to hurt your sales because the people who are ready for a solution, who want to pull their credit cards out for the solution they need right now, aren't watching those basic level helpful tips videos. They don't have basic problems. A mentor of mine, Mariah Kosh, she calls them champagne problems for champagne clients. They are past that basic level problem in their business if they're going to buy your solution. So if you're not showing them that transformational content, along with belief shifting content, they're never gonna get to your videos, let alone get the transformation they desire from you. So no one buys. When you just teach on your YouTube videos and don't have the belief shifting and transformational content, that's where you're gonna get no sales. You may get lots of views and think your videos are doing well because the views are going up, but you're not making sales. And if you're a business owner, that's what matters. sales and clients matter more than views and subscribers. I'm wondering if this is kind of creating an aha moment for you, that maybe you've been focusing on these helpful tips videos because that's what you thought you were supposed to do. So type helpful in the comments below if that's you, but now you know you need to adjust the types of videos you need to create, and you're gonna do that moving forward. So it all comes down to the strategic value versus random value. And as I said, most coaches are stuck in that random value bucket. The strategic value aligns with my system called the playlist funnel. This is why all of my content fits into my playlist funnel strategy, because I needed to not only belief shift, but address common objections that my ready to buy viewer would have when it comes to using YouTube my way, and highlighting the transformation that they can have doing it my way. When you're creating random videos, sure, you're going to get views, but there's no lead to where they need to go next after watching that video. They're gonna go from video to video to video to get help, but you're not changing their mind about how they need to do things your way to buy your product. So you need to start thinking about that belief shifting content. You need to be focusing on why they need to change the way they think. You need to make them aware with these belief shifts and show the mistakes that can happen so they realize they have to learn how to do this from you. And this is why I call it strategic curiosity. It's knowing what your ready to buy viewers' problems are and how they want to see their future. If you can dangle that possible future that they really desire, that's how you're gonna create that strategic curiosity that's gonna drive the right people to your videos to get them to buy from you. Because if you know from your results, from your course, from your students, from your clients, these transformations are happening, and you can show them with proof that that transformation is happening, that's how you create the curiosity without withholding information or being manipulative. Let me give you a specific example. There's a video that I have on my channel about my 90-day plan. It is where I walk through how to get a YouTube channel up and running and making sales in 90 days. I didn't give any specific information or tips in that video, and I talked about this belief shift on how they need to be thinking about YouTube to be able to do YouTube right in the next 90 days. And then in that last 1 minute of that video, I share how I can help them get there and get them the transformation that they're looking for. That video not only brought me in 8 sales in less than 24 hours, but it got me a coaching client straight from that video who had never watched any of my content before. And I wasn't giving any helpful tips or tutorials. I was giving a basic overview of how I work with my clients to change their belief and give them that transformation, and how that transformation can actually happen over the course of 90 days when you do it the way I approach YouTube. And that showed the transformation that people want and how this could happen for them as well. Now, like I said, this is a playlist funnel strategy that I'm using. And if you want to learn more about my playlist funnel strategy and get more into the meat and bones of this particular strategy, I have an entire free class at trenalittle.com/class that I teach this. And I also dive into the biggest mistakes a lot of business owners make when they try to DIY this playlist funnel. So you can grab a seat in the next one that I'm hosting, like I said, at trenalittle.com/class. Because when you understand how to create this kind of content systematically, you never have to choose between being helpful and being profitable again. Because you need to understand you're not running your YouTube channel as a YouTuber, you're a business owner. We should not be following the strategies that most YouTube gurus and YouTube coaches are teaching. Because you're not trying to get the most views as a business owner, you're trying to get the most valuable views. And so when you shift that idea of helpful content to strategic value, that's when you start attracting your ready to buy viewer and you start making those daily sales. You also start building authority with the right people instead of just being more noise in this online space. And that's when your content becomes this 24/7 client sales generator that you're probably looking for, but it's not quite working for you yet. And this is so helpful for so many of the courses and coach creators that I've worked with in my program, the YouTube Coaching Experience, because they never feel like they have to give away their best stuff for free now. They never have to wonder why people aren't buying, even though they're giving lots of value. So once you stop making this mistake, you need to see what's possible with a properly built invisible sales system. I'm about to show you real examples of content that converts without selling, including one video that generated over $15,000 in sales, and exactly how the invisible sales system worked in that content. This is where everything starts to click and you see how strategic value looks in practice. And I'm walking you through that in this video on your screen right now.